Dear students, today we are going to discuss benzoin condensation. Two molecules of aromatic aldehydes on reaction with ethanolic solution of potassium cyanide, it undergo condensation to form benzoin. We know the general formula of aldehyde is RCHO. If R is the alkyl group like CH3, C2H5, these are known as aliphatic aldehydes, and if R is the aromatic ring like benzene or its analogous, it is known as aromatic aldehydes. So in benzoin condensation, two molecules of aromatic aldehydes condense to form benzoin in presence of ethanolic solution of potassium cyanide. Now let us discuss the mechanism. Benzaldehyde is treated with potassium cyanide. So potassium cyanide will donate Cn- ion. So Cn- ion act as a nucleophile here. Here it also act as a classic catalyst. So here this carbon is electrophilic center. Because of the presence of oxygen, we know oxygen is more electronegative. So electrons will be donated to oxygen and carbon atom will be having positive charge and the cyanide group will attack to this carbon. So oxygen will get all negative charge and carbon will be positive. So Cn will be attacked to this positive charge. So the product will be C6H5CHO minus Cn. Next step is hydrolysis, because we are using water also here. So during hydrolysis, this H plus will move towards oxygen atom and the product form will be this H plus move towards O minus, so it will form OH. So here C6H5CHOH Cn. This is the product formed during hydrolysis. So this is our product form PHCOHHCn. Here there are two types of hydrogen atoms. One is the alcoholic hydrogen and the another one is the hydrogen attached to carbon. Here we know oxygen is more electronegative, so this hydrogen should be more acidic compared to this hydrogen. But in actual case, in this compound, this hydrogen is more acidic. It is more than 300 times acidic compared to this hydrogen. This is because of electron withdrawing cyanide group present to the nearby carbon atom. So this hydrogen atom is more acidic and this will lose as H plus ion and the OH minus ion. Before we have given for hydrolysis, so H plus were used and that OH minus will abstract this proton and that will move with this OH minus. So water will be removed. Hence this will donate the electrons to this carbon atom. So it will form PHCOH Cn and the carbon atom acquires minus charge. So this will act as a nucleophile. This nucleophile is highly stable because of the presence of this cyanide group. The cyanide group is electron withdrawing group. So here we can stabilize this as this electron will move towards this carbon and this electron will move towards this nitrogen. So it will form PHCOH double bond C double bond N minus. So because of this resonance, this nucleophile is highly stable. In the next step, this carbanion PHCOHCN minus will react with second molecule of benzaldehyde C6H5CHO. Here also carbon is having electrophilic center. So here this electron will be shifting towards oxygen, so it will be O minus, carbon will be having positive charge. So this minus will be moved towards this positive charge. So the product form will be PHCOHCN, then C, here it will be O minus HPH. This is our product form PHCOHCN CO minus HPH. Next step is proton transfer. This hydrogen is more acidic because of the presence of this cyanide group and this acts as acid-base reaction. This one is the base and this is the acidic part. So this acts as acid-base. So this H plus will move towards this O minus. This H plus will move towards this O minus and the product form will be PHCO minus Cn C OH, H, pH. Here we know because of the presence of this cyanide group, this OH will act as the acid and this O minus will be the base. So this is like an acid-base reaction. So acid will donate H plus and base will accept H plus. So here it will be O minus and here it will be OH. So this is our product after proton transfer. pH, C, Cn, O minus, C, OH, H, pH. Here we know, compared to all groups like pH, H, OH, Cn, O minus, Cn is good leaving group. So in the next step, Cn will leave as Cn minus from here. So it will be carbon will get positive charge and this O minus electrons will be shifting towards the carbon. So here plus and minus it will be a double bond. So the product form will be pH, C double bond O, C, OH, pH, H. So Cn will be loose as Cn minus ion. That is why we called it as a catalyst. Because Cn minus entered in the reaction the first step and the last step Cn leave as Cn minus from the reaction mixture. And the product formed is pH, CO, CH, OH, pH. This product is known as benzoin. pH, CO, CH, OH, pH. This product is known as benzoin. And now let us discuss what is the role of Cn minus in this reaction. What is the role here? Because we know it acts as a catalyst. It entered in the first step and leave in the last step. It acts as a nucleophile and also stabilizes the carbanion form and is also a good leaving group in this reaction. So today we have discussed the mechanism of benzoin condensation. In the first step, benzaldehyde treated with Cn minus. So Cn minus entered to the electrophilic carbon. It forms CH, O minus, Cn. Then it undergo hydrolysis. So H plus enters to this O minus. It forms here deprotonation. Here this two hydrogen atoms are there. This hydrogen is more acidic. So this leave as H plus ion and that give back electrons to this carbon. So it form a carbanion. It also acts as a nucleophile and this nucleophile is highly stabilized due to the presence of this cyanide group. And here this is a resonance. C double bond C N minus is formed. So this carbanion is highly stabilized. So this acts as a good nucleophile. And the carbanion is attached to second molecule of benzaldehyde. Here C minus and this carbon atom is electrophilic center. So this electron will be moving towards oxygen atom. So this carbon will be having positive charge. So this minus will be attacked towards this carbon. So the product will be pH, COH, Cn, CH, O minus, pH like this. Then after proton transfer, we know here this is like an acid-base reaction. This hydrogen will be more acidic due to the presence of this cyanide group. And here this one is a base. So proton will be moved towards this oxygen. That means acid will donate the proton and the base will accept the proton. So here it will be pH, C, O minus, Cn, COH, H, pH. This is a product formed after proton transfer. Then the last step is leaving by cyanide group. Here we know compared to all these groups, Cn is a good leaving group. So last step Cn will move as Cn minus ion and this electron will move towards this carbon. So this carbon oxygen will be double bond. So the product form will be pH, CO, CH, OH, pH. That is known as benzoin. So dear students, today we have discussed benzoin condensation. Two molecules of aromatic aldehydes react with ethanolic solution of potassium cyanide. In presence of water, benzoin is formed. Thank you for watching. If you like the class, please press like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.